Have you delayed your plans to buy a house because of how competitive the market was over the last few years? Well, if so, hear this. Today's market is so different. Here's a look at 3 trends that are good news for today's homebuyers. Number 1, you have more homes to choose from. Since the same time last year, the number of homes for sale is up roughly 50%. So finding what you're looking for in today's market isn't nearly as hard as it would have been a year ago. Number 2, bidding wars have eased. In just 1 year, the average number of offers on a home has significantly dropped. That means you may face less intense competition from other buyers now. And number 3, you have more negotiation power. 92% of recent sellers negotiated with buyers on things like lower prices, home repairs, even covering closing costs. With these 3 trends, you've got something to get excited about. So if you're ready to kick off the home buying process, let's connect. My name is Patty Hardy here at Canyon Lake, 210-313-1010. Thanks.